SPRO have done it again, making your life and installations easier than a Sunday morning. And I won't have to bore you with the details, because you may already be familiar with another one of our products. Let's talk about intercoms. Now, we know that if you go with a new system, 9 out of 10 times you choose IP. But what if it's not a new system? You may already know that old intercoms run on a 2-wire system and usually only have an audio handset because of their age. So, if you're after that 21st century functionality, this is what you're looking for. How do you go from an audio handset that's older than me to a brand new video intercom with mobile viewing? You can re-cable an entire office, but that would be expensive and it would take forever. And if you were to do a house with a gated intercom, it would mean ripping up the entire driveway, which no one in their right mind would do. Or you can make your life easy and go with the SPRO 2-wire Intercom Kit. No rewiring, no ripping up driveways, and no more ancient handsets. Let's start at the beginning. What's in the box? The main attractions here are the camera and intercom panel that the user will be interacting with, the 7-inch touchscreen monitor that's running off the Linux OS, and the 2-wire controller that directs your power. Installing this kit is easy. First you just need to run power to the controller, and then from the controller to the monitor, and the controller to the door station. It really is that simple when you use SPRO. There's a reason it's 1/3 of our slogan. Because of the 2-wire setup, this camera is strictly live view on the intercom only. But it does come through to your phone, which allows for calls, video view, and remote unlock. Even connecting it to your phone is simple. No cabling, no network ports, just connect the monitor to the Wi-Fi, then add it to your DMSS app by scanning the QR code. The specs of this camera match that of the IP intercom, 2 megapixel and auto IR illumination, and it has the same compatibility with the electronic locks. Now, I'm not saying a job like this is going to rear its head every week, but when it will, and it inevitably will, the SPRO 2-wire intercom kit makes that head a lot less ugly. What would have been a stressful and tedious job is now a simple retrofit that brings any pre-existing system into the world of today. To find out more about SPRO intercoms, visit www.sproccctv.com or contact a local installer.